Hello and a warm welcome to the incredible journey here on the Hyperlife channel. Did you know that your menstrual flow functions as a thermometer for women's health? And the most important thing is to pay attention to these symptoms, and when you feel something similar, seek medical help to balance your health before it worsens. How many times have you gone through those uncomfortable moments, month after month, when your menstrual flow arrives? It's like an unwelcome visitor, isn't it? But did you know that this experience isn't something you just have to accept? I know it's common to think that this discomfort is a natural part of a woman's life. I bet you eagerly await the speed at which these days pass, just to get back to your routine. And that's precisely why this video is so special. In the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal something that can transform your relationship with your menstrual cycle. Are you ready to discover the 12 main reasons behind changes in your menstrual flow? Here's the promise. If you stick around until the end, you'll not only gain valuable insights, but also receive a thoughtfully prepared gift, especially for you. And, since we're on this journey together, how about spreading a little love? Having your like right from the start will be fantastic. Oh, and if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. This way, you won't miss any of the exciting updates coming your way. Let's embark on this journey of knowledge and well-being together. The menstrual cycle is much more complex, serving as the method by which the female body produces the necessary hormones for bones, skin, and the circulatory and nervous systems. The resulting benefits are immense. As a result, regular cycles and a menstrual flow within the normal range indicate that the body is operating as expected, in balance. To understand this dynamic, it's crucial to be familiar with your own body, capable of identifying when something is out of the ordinary. These observations act as indicators that alert to changes, allowing for seeking medical assistance when needed. Another point that needs clarification is that menstrual flow shouldn't be synonymous with pain, discomfort, and unease. There may be greater physical and emotional sensitivity during this cycle due to hormones, but menstruation should be as close to natural as possible. Debilitating cramps, heavy and prolonged menstrual flow, or conversely, scanty and very short flow, and a cycle with more than a 10-day difference between them. These factors are often overlooked as part of being a woman, and yet, they could be your body's way of signaling that something needs investigation. Extreme discomfort should not be accepted as normal. And now, I will introduce you to the 12 reasons behind changes in your menstrual flow. Various health conditions that your body might experience can influence the intensity of your menstrual flow, either increasing or decreasing. Let's explore the main reasons for a more intense menstrual flow. Fibroids, growth in the uterus muscle. Polyps, tissue from the uterine lining, endometrium, growing into the organ. Adenomyosis, endometrial, shedding, invading the uterine muscle. Endometriosis, appearance of endometrial tissue outside the uterus. These 4 factors I mentioned are exactly what can increase your menstrual flow, along with discomfort and pain. Seeking medical guidance through appropriate examinations and treatments is crucial to address them. So, if you face a significant increase in your menstrual flow each month, it's important to seek medical help and not consider it a common occurrence. Now, I'll explain the reasons behind a decrease in menstrual flow. Before moving forward, I'm thrilled to introduce an exceptional innovation in feminine intimate care to you. The Livlit sanitary pad, a true gift from nature for your comfort. Livlit deserves all the praise. Made with 100% organic cotton of the finest quality, cultivated in Texas. The cotton used is so refined that it prevents blood coagulation. Organic cotton ensures that each moment of use is gentle on your skin. The side frills are also pure cotton, offering a feeling of softness and comfort, just like your favorite underwear. Additionally, Livlit values freshness and well-being. And we understand. Only those who experience it truly understand its importance. They use natural materials and a back sheet made from biomass to ensure proper ventilation, alleviating any discomfort. Thus, you can make an active effort to protect the planet whenever you use a Livlit product. To assist you, I'll leave the official link for Livlit here in the video description. Now, you'll discover the reasons behind a reduction in menstrual flow and realize how serious this signal is. Don't fall into the trap of believing that having an extremely scanty flow is a reason to feel relieved, thinking you're at an advantage. In reality, this indicates a significant and even severe compromise to your health. And here are the 8 causes. Anorexia, which refers to insufficient intake of essential nutrients for proper bodily function. Polycystic Ovary Syndrome, cause responsible for menstrual irregularities due to excessive production of male hormones, androgens. High-performance sports, the elevated release of endorphins during training can reduce the production of hormones related to ovulation. Stress and anxiety, factors that can disrupt the entire menstrual cycle, delaying ovulation and consequently your period. Infections, diseases like the flu and tonsillitis, as well as medications used to treat them, can disrupt the menstrual cycle. Significant fluctuations in body weight, estrogen levels can be influenced, affecting ovulation and, in turn, menstruation. Thyroid problems, medications used to treat thyroid issues can alter hormonal levels in the blood. Entering menopause, as ovaries gradually stop releasing eggs, the menstrual cycle becomes irregular. Now, do you grasp how a reduced menstrual flow is an important indicator of health and balance in your body? You, the woman listening to me right now, have you realized how the scarcity of menstrual flow is a significant indicator for your health and body balance? After all, it's not just a matter of quantity, but rather about understanding the signals your body is sending. Don't forget to keep up, as knowledge is power when it comes to your well-being. Did you enjoy this content? In it, you've seen that an unchanged menstrual flow is a good sign of health and what the main disruptors of menstruation are. And since the topic is women's health, how about checking out the gift I've left for you in the video description? An ebook with 30 delicious and healthy recipes. Just click and download it for free. I've also included the link for Livlit. Share this video with your friends. Spread. Thanks for your time. Take care. See you soon.